Everybody, welcome to Sherman Wealth Weekly Snaps. Lots to discuss this week. It was a really crazy news cycle, and our thoughts are that the news cycle is only going to get crazier as we get closer to the election. Wanted to first say thoughts and prayers to RBG. We lost her actually on right before Rosh Hashanah started on Friday night, and didn't get a chance to obviously pay our respects in the video. So thinking about her, what a trailblazer she was for both the women's rights movements and other things in the court. Also, this week was a lot of Federal Reserve Chair Powell statements, and then other officers within the Federal Reserve talking about the need for more stimulus, as we've been talking about for quite some time. The initial stimulus ended July 31st. Pelosi introduced a bill yesterday that we will see if there's any traction there. And as we've talked about before, as we get closer and closer to the election, it's becoming less and less likely, or at least the market this week believed that it was less and less likely that anything would get passed. We are on track for the fourth straight week of declines. You know, the Davy day trader, day trading movement believes, unfortunately, that stocks only go up. And while they had been really on a straight line up since the March 23rd lows, we are seeing September being one of the weakest months, and the first down month since then. So we'll see if next week turns it around a little bit, but September is on track for the first down month since March. So following that story for you as well. We had some interesting developments out of Nikola, which is an EV battery company. Do they really manufacture battery engines for trucks? Is it all a stunt? Did they push a truck down a hill? That's been a very interesting story to follow. We also had a lot of Tesla news. Battery Day kind of came and went as a snooze fest, but also a potential $25,000 entry point for a car. We also had Amazon in the news with a new suite of products following up from Apple's announcement last week, and then kind of a weird story about, are they manufacturing a $500 bike to compete with Peloton, or are they not? We will follow that as well. We also had Wells Fargo CEO making comments about the lack of diversity in the pool of talent, mostly amongst black and brown male and females. We've mentioned before that we are supporters and advocates for Wall Street Bound. Check out their website. They're trying to solve this problem so that Wells Fargo doesn't feel that they have to make these kinds of statements that they're trying to hire 100,000 new employees in the next 5 years. So check out that organization. We also have Spotify teaming up with Epic and Match Group to go against Apple and Google in a battle over the App Store. So we will be following all those stories and more. For those of you who are fasting, have a safe and easy fast, and Happy New Year, and we will catch you next Friday.